Hi everyone, I want to send a signature with my new Gmail messages. For this, I need to access the settings gear of my Gmail account. So I'm going to go to the top right-hand corner. This will take me to the settings task pane. I need to go down to see all settings. Especially when you're using Gmail for work, it's important to include contact information like cell phone numbers, job titles, ways to get a hold of you that people can see in your messages. This is why signatures can be so crucial. Now from here, you're going to see tabs at the top. You should be on the General tab and then scroll down for quite a while, almost to the bottom. On the left-hand side, you'll see a section that says Signatures. I'm going to click on the Create New button, give my new signature a name, and yes, you can have multiple signatures in your Gmail account. Then in the box on the right, I'm going to paste in or type in my signature information. This can include my name, my email address. Now, if I would like to include formatting, I need to use the toolbar underneath to update, for example, the font style and the font size. I can also include color if I want. To apply text color, I'll come to the letter A button, find the text color that I want. And for anything like bold or italics, I just, again, need to use the formatting toolbar. When I'm finished, I also need to make sure that I apply this new signature for new emails and replies and forwards. The very bottom, I'm going to save my changes. This is very critical because if you close that box without doing the save changes, your new signature will not be available to you. Now to see the signature, I'm going to compose a new message. I'm going to address it, and notice my new signature is here. And it includes the formatting that I selected for it. Now let's say that I decide I don't want to include this particular signature, or I'd like to include a different one. On the body of the new message, I'll see a toolbar that includes a pen. This is the Insert Signature button. If I click on this, it would let me turn off the signature, or if I had additional signatures, they would show up in this list and I could pick them. When I'm ready, I'll send the message off. And I set up my default so that if I go into forward a message or reply to a message, you'll notice here that when I go in to do that, that it would still include my signature at the very bottom of whatever information I'm sending. So again, signatures are a great way to really customize your experience and make sure that the people that you're sending messages to have a way to contact you. Go into your own Gmail account and try setting up a signature of your own.